Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from tab. First, gather your instrument, the tablature you wish to learn, and a metronome. It's crucial to have your instrument perfectly in tune. This ensures you're learning the correct pitches from the start. Next, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can focus without interruptions. Dedicate at least 20 to 30 minutes for your initial practice session to establish a good routine. Now, let's decipher the tablature itself. The horizontal lines represent the strings of your instrument, typically with the thinnest, highest-pitched string at the top. The numbers on these lines tell you which fret to press down on that particular string. A 0 means play an open string. Always read the tab from left to right, following the sequence of notes and chords as they appear. Pay close attention to any symbols indicating bends, slides, or hammer-ons. For effective practice, begin by playing each measure or small phrase at a very slow tempo. Don't rush. Accuracy is far more important than speed at this stage. Use your metronome to maintain a consistent rhythm, starting at a comfortable pace, perhaps 60 beats per minute. Once you can play a section perfectly 3 to 5 times in a row, gradually increase the metronome speed by 5 to 10 beats per minute. This systematic approach builds muscle memory and confidence. Consistency is key to mastering any piece. Aim for several shorter practice sessions throughout the week, perhaps 3 to 4 sessions of 20 minutes each, rather than one long, exhausting session. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your performance and pinpoint areas for improvement. For challenging parts, break them down into tiny 2 to 4 note segments and master each one before reassembling the full phrase. Celebrate small victories along the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.